adjust these, and then you'll close it back. Okay? Now this is ready. I inspected it, it's working. Now I need to do a function check. Okay? I open this. I open it. I should hear this alarm. So I heard the alarm. Now, this is full. I have a secondary gauge. This is called the shoulder gauge. So this should also be full, just like that one. If this is full and this is on 10, I'm going to ask you a question here. If this is full and this one here is on 10, what does that mean? No, it means they're not the same and one of them is broken. Like I said, these two should always be the same. Okay, so if this is full and this is on 10, which one do you think is broken?
That one is broken.
Okay, which one is broken? How do you know?
Because this one is the first gauge that...
Okay, can you tell me for sure, like 100%, that this one is working good and this one is not working? Exactly. So, what I want from you is to check these two gauges, make sure they both are the same. If they're not the same, leave it.
Something's wrong, yeah.
Exactly, leave it and wear another one that is full and they both are the same, okay?
Yeah.
Now, to put it on, you must hold it from here. These two metals, don't hold it from anywhere else. From here, pick it up. See how my elbows are in here? Place it on your head and your back like that. And slowly lean down, like that. Push these, pull these down and back. Now, you have these two. Connect them. Pull this way until here, and this one here. And this, I say till here because this is the regulator's protector. Okay?
Yep.
You'll keep it in here when you walk in so it doesn't swing and hit other objects and break. Okay? At this point, you must put on the mask. Before you put on the mask, you must check two more things. This one here, make sure you see it and it's not stuck in here. Alright?
Yep.
Make sure it's not stuck. Second thing is the regulator. Just hold it and extend it forward. Make sure it's good and it's not stuck or tangled up in here. Alright? Now you're ready to put on the mask. I'm not going to put on the mask. I'm going to have you put it on because we don't want to take a lot of time. I'm going to have you put it on and I'm going to do two more checks while you're wearing the mask and I'm going to ask you a few questions. Okay? To take it off, open this like that and this like that. Now we are not in a hurry, so we take our time. Right? Lean down. Please don't do this with your back or you jump or whatever. This is very bad for your back and for your spine. You might have, long-term illness or back problems. So push this up with both of your hands, and you see these two metals.
Yeah.
Pull them, and then push forward. Okay. With your left hand, hold these like that. I don't want you to move your left hand anymore. Right hand out. See? This one here. Now put the harness back, put all the straps back the way they were. Close this and bleed it out. The reason why we bleed it out is because we never want any air stored in low pressure or high pressure hoses because they will get damaged very fast if you do that. Okay? Now, please show me how will you do the inspection and how will you put it on. Nope. Nope. First are the hoses. I'm sorry. I said hoses. Straps. The harness assembly. I'm sorry.
Okay, first time this one should be tight.
Okay.
Not loose.
Okay, it's fully extended.
Fully extended.
Fully extended.
Fully extended.
Fully extended. Good. How do you know these are fully extended?
Because
the metal part should be outside.
It's on the
outside. Okay. It's good.
Extended.
Okay, now check these two valves and the gauge at the same time. Make sure they're both closed.
Both closed.
Okay. Open
this
the
one
valve.
I have to push to close.
Yep. Open the valve. Do you hear the alarm?
Alarm.
Okay. Open it all the way. Open it all. Is that all of it?
Yep.
Okay, now it's all of it.
I like.
Alright. No, it's alright, you did enough. Now check both gauges. Are they the same? Full and full?
Full and full.
Okay. If they're not full and full, what will you do?
We leave the breathing apparatus here and take another one.
Exactly. We don't use it. Yes. Now, please put it on.
Both hands here.
Okay.
Elbow outside.
Okay. Lean down. There you go. Very good. Very good. Okay. No.
True.
See, you released it very fast. That's
I
bad for
released
your
it,
back.
yeah.
Okay. We must do it in the safest way possible. All right. Now push, pull these down.
Down
Back.
and back.
There you go. Very good. Okay. Now do the waist buckle or waist belt. Okay, not too tight because that will also affect your breathing. If you do this too tight, it's going to make your breathing very difficult. Okay, so this is good. Excuse me.
Yep.
Okay, this is for that. It's a protector.
Protector.
Okay. Now I want you to check two things. No, the red one always goes up. The red valve goes up. Okay, like that. Yes. No. Now it's okay. Like that. It's locked. If you push it down, you can also take it out. Like that. So always keep it this way. Okay. Now you need to check two things. What are they?
To see if
Very good.
this one, I can see it.
Okay.
And
This one is not stuck
it's
or
not stuck
tangled.
under-
Yes.
Yeah.
Now the mask is one of the most important pieces in the breathing apparatus. All right, you should make sure that your facial hair is shaved. You don't have beard, just like this. No beard, no mustache, good. No beard, no mustache, good. Mustache and this here, no problem because it's not in the way of the mask. But this, and this, all wrong. Okay?
Yeah.
They will not make you have good seal. Okay? So now, to put on the mask, just pull it like that, put it on your head, and then from here, put your chin in here first. Okay?
Chin first, yeah?
Yeah, now put it on. Put it on normally, yes?
Yeah.
Bring it down, bring it down. Okay? Make sure this is good and it's not going to the side. Push it all down. Okay. Now chin first. Chin is
Yeah.
okay?
Yeah.
Alright? Now, that's very good. Hold it from here. Close this. Close it very good. Okay. Now hold it with that hand and close the other one. Very good. Now both hands close these two. Okay? Close them back. Okay? Not very tight. And from here. Are you sure your chin is in here? Okay. Yes. Now to connect the regulator, you must have the red bypass valve up. Okay? Connected like this, and you twist it. Alright?
Yeah.
Now I want you to try it.
Oh.
Okay, breathe. Okay. Now, I want you to take, now we will do two checks. I told you we'll do two checks. We'll do two checks. The first one is to make sure that your air that is in the cylinder is only for you and it's not going outside. There's no leaks to the outside, okay? And how we do that is, I want you to take a deep breath and hold it, not release it. Do you hear any leaks anywhere around the mask? Do you feel any places that are cold? Do you hear any sounds here like pop, 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 from here? Okay. Now, I want you to move your mouth like you're eating gum. Is there any place that is becoming loose or cold? No? Okay, that's very good. This means you have a good leak-proof or airtight seal. Okay, there's no leak outside. Now with your right hand, I want you to reach back and close the valve. Close the valve. Push and close, push and close. Push and close. No, more. No, okay, if you don't mind. Okay.
Yeah,
Watch your gauge. Breathe slowly. See? This is the low air alarm. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. You'll be safe. Now, okay, breathe out. Don't worry, don't worry. You'll be safe. Okay, thank you. That's the check. Okay? Open the gauge, open the gauge, open the valve. Okay. Don't worry, don't open it all the way. You were afraid the first time. But this is the test. I want you to breathe and not be... Oh, there is a leak now. Okay. We'll fix it in a minute. Just wait. We will have to do this test again. And I want you to breathe and not be able to take any air inside. If that's the case, if that happens, this means H2S will not come inside. Okay, that's the point of making that test. Now, if you ever have a leak, I want you to take off the regulator. Do you know how to take it off? No, wait, wait, breathe. Just wait. Okay. Yes. Okay. Press, pull, twist. Alright? Now, open the mask. Don't take it off, just open it. Where is the leak? On this side? Okay, open it from the top too. Okay. Hold it to your face and close it again. Make sure it's really closed. Okay? Alright, very good. No, don't do that. Why do you think you do that?
To create vacuum.
Okay, to create vacuum. So you think that's effective?
I think so.
Okay, you think so. Now, you have leak. I want you to try it. Can you know if there is leak or not?
I can breathe.
You can breathe. Okay. What about now?
No.
There is a leak, but you didn't know. Why? Because the leak is very, very small. Okay? And when you do this, when you're doing this, you're actually pushing the mask to your face. You're closing the leak. Okay, so this is not effective. Not at all. Don't do this. That's why I'm teaching you how to do the two positive and negative checks. When you take a deep breath and hold it, you're checking if the air is going outside. And you said no. Right?
Yeah.
And then when I said close the valve and breathe, you took this off because you were not able to breathe. So which one is more effective?
The second one.
Exactly. So please connect the regulator. We will do the leak checks again, okay? Take a deep breath and hold it. Any leaks? Any cold areas? Any air? Any sound? Okay, good. Reach back and close the valve. Don't worry. It will only be like 2 seconds. Okay. I'll be right behind you, don't worry, okay? Okay, breathe. Breathe. Okay, breathe out. Take a breath. Can you breathe? No. Another one? Okay. That's good. Did you see how the mask was being sucked into your face? This is called airtight seal. This is good. Check for leaks, you know, if they're there or not, okay? Now, I'm going to ask you questions. If you have any problems with your regulator, this regulator basically brings the air from there and delivers it here, okay? If this breaks, it will be exactly like now when you close it. Did you like this feeling? No. So that's what's going to happen. Before now, when you were not able to breathe, what was the first thing you did? Take it off. That's very wrong. Why? Because if you're in H2S, you take this off, you're dead. So that's why the person that made this was thinking, of a backup option. When this is closed, when this is not delivering air, okay, now you open it again. Take a deep breath. Hold it. Now this is not working. Let's say it's broken, okay? This is the emergency bypass valve. Okay, the red one. Close it. Open it. Open it. No, it's okay. Open it. This is the emergency bypass valve. I'll show you an example on the board when we're done, okay? Now, only in emergencies you'll be able to use this. I mean, you can use it anytime, but I don't want you to use it unless it's emergency. Okay? Only if the regulator is broken, you can use that. All right? Now, reasons why the regulator will break is maybe the weather is very, very high. You know, very, very hot. The temperature is high. Or it's very, very cold. Or the regulator received a shock. Like it touched something or somebody's head or whatever. It's broken now. Okay? That's when, instead of doing this and opening it, just open the emergency bypass valve. Right? If your mask it becomes dirty from inside, there's like fog, you know, because cold and hot and all that, becomes fog from inside. No. I want you to stop breathing from your mouth. The reason why that's happening is because the air in here is very, very cold. With your warm breath, together they will create the fog. So you need a few seconds for the mask to adjust. Alright? When it adjusts to that thing, then you will not have that problem. Just stop breathing from your mouth for 5 to 10 seconds, and then start breathing from your nose. Alright? After that, the mask will not have that problem. But if you tried that for 5, 10, 20 seconds, and you're only breathing from your nose, and the fog is still there, and you started, you know, not seeing, that's emergency. Okay? Then you can use this one. Okay? Yeah. All right. What if the mask becomes dirty from outside? What if the mask is dirty from outside? How will you clean it? You don't know. Use your uniform. Use your coveralls. Just go like this. Okay? Yeah? Can you see better now?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. See? Do you have any questions?
No.
No? Okay. That's good. Please take off the, disconnect the regulator. Okay. Wait. Keep it on. Breathe. Okay. Let go. Let go. Are you left-handed or right-handed? Right-handed. It's much easier to do it with the right hand, okay? Go like this. Click. Pull. Twist. Twist up. Okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. When this comes here, just take it off. Okay? Take off the mask, please. Okay, that's it. Take it off. Now you don't have to open the rest. Just leave it, and H2S guys will take care of it. Okay, now open these. Extend it. Open this. Extend it. Okay, open the lock. Okay, lean down. Reach here. Down. Okay. Pull. No, not these ones. Under.
Yeah.
Okay. Pull. And I want you to push them this way, like this. Not like this or like this. This way. Push forward. Yeah. Okay, there you go. Now hold this from the bottom so it doesn't move a lot.
Yeah.
Don't move your left hand, okay?
Yeah.
Put your head in here. Take it out. Stand up a little bit straight. Okay? Reach here. Hold it. Slowly turn it over. Put it down. It's very good. Now, push forward. Okay? Readjust the straps. Make sure they're fully extended and ready to use again. Okay? Close that. Now, there is only one thing I haven't told you, which is the low air alarm. Okay? When you use the air, and you have 1/4 of a tank left, 1/4, or maybe 5 minutes or less, depends on your breathing. We always say 5 minutes or less. Low air alarm will happen. Do you remember when you were breathing? You have the sound.
Yeah.
That's the low air alarm. When you hear that sound, you must stop your job, put it on safe, and go to the muster point. Okay?
Yeah.
Muster point is, you'll find another one there, put it on, and come back to work. Or you'll wait there until the emergency is finished. Okay? Now, what will you do if you were rescuing somebody and you have 5 minutes of air left? What will you do? You will leave them there or take them to the muster point?
You can then take another breathing apparatus and come back.
Exactly. Don't rescue him if you know your air is not going to be enough.
Yeah.
Your life is more important than anybody else's. Okay? My life is more important than yours, and then his. His life is more important to him, more important than mine and yours. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, I'm going to show you how the alarm will work. Okay, can you hold this please?
Yep.
When it reaches 1/4, it will start the alarm. Okay? And this alarm will continue to happen until all the air is finished. Like, it's not only going to sound like this and that's finished, no.
Oh, okay.
And it's going to...
Until the end.
Yeah, until the end, yes. Now, are you sure you don't have any questions?
No, not so far.
Okay. I just want you to sign on this.
Yeah.
It's a pack training